Good morning. Good morning. Morning, Chloe. Good morning. Hi. Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday, the 9th. It's like 8 o'clock. I'm just getting up. It is a rainy day out. Oh, today, look at recycles. Who's that? The recycle guy. Yeah. Interruption there. Today's recycle day. It's usually on Fridays, but since it was a holiday on Monday, everything gets pushed back a day. So, recycles and garbage this morning. Don't really know what we're gonna be doing today since it's a rainy day. Probably get stuff done inside, or it's a good day to spend all day in the gym, or go walk around the mall or see a movie or something indoors. We'll see. Right now, Tony is gone. He took the truck back up to the dealer to have him look at it real quick because he thinks they messed up the suspension when they were putting it up on the lift to bring it up to Portsmouth. And he said, it squeaks getting in and out of the truck. It rumbles on the highway like you're going over rumble strips. It looks like it's sagging on the left side of the truck. So he just brought him up to take a look at it. I know they're just going to be like, wasn't us, bro. Get out of here. I'm not going to help you. But whatever. When he was leaving, I told him to be nice because I know he's just going to yell at them about something. So he's gone right now. These girls just waking up, huh? I was just taking a nap, but the thunder woke me up. I was just gonna ask how she's doing.
I was playing calming dog music for her, but I shut it. I was like, oh, it's over. It stopped thundering. And then, like, it started clearing up.
Cindy, it's okay.
It's not okay. Look at her. Go. Go. You want to get out of your house.
It's okay. You're not scared. I'm not scared. Warren now.
Yes.
It's gonna ruin everybody's Pokemon Go day today. You gonna make it? Huh? Stop it.
This back there is going to grow like overnight. Chloe grew up in the hall. Man.
Why? What'd she eat? She threw up.
Small, just like that.
Why'd you throw up?
I don't know. I only gave her like 4 pieces of rice chicken.
Ah, Tony.
Hold on.
Having a beer because nothing else to do on a rainy day but sit inside and drink. This is a Dogfish Head 60-minute. My favorite's the 90, but this will do just fine. Well, it's the end of the night now. Sorry today was a very short, crappy, pointless, boring vlog, but it's just been raining all day and, you know, there's nothing you can do, and then I took a nap for like 3 hours. Just bumming around the house, nothing really going on. I woke up, I took a shower, and just went and got a cheeseburger. I know it's not very healthy, but I just got a simple cheeseburger just because we had nothing in the house to make, and so I'm just eating my cheeseburger, and then I gotta edit this vlog and then go to bed. So I'm sorry I didn't vlog during the week either. Again, nothing going on. You know, I can only do so many vlogs that are like exactly the same. It's like, oh, I'm going to work. Oh, I'm at work. Now I'm going home from work. Now I'm home. I'm playing with my dogs. I'm eating dinner. I'm going to bed. Like, you guys can only watch so many vlogs that go exactly the same. So if I don't have anything going on, I don't vlog. So you're not missing anything, I promise. So sorry for no vlogs during the week. And then today, crappy and rainy day. So the deal with the truck is Tony brought it to the dealer to have to look at it today. And for some reason, they had taken the back 2 tires off and switched them. So one tire is like scratched up on the inside because it's hitting the wheel well or whatever. And the suspension is something on it was twisted. I don't know. Tony can explain it, but they just put it up on the lift and quickly looked at it today. But they want us to bring it back on Thursday to like really put it back up and really take a look at it and see what the deal is. So Thursday I have to bring the truck there at like 3 o'clock, so after work. So that's the deal with the truck. We have it and whatever, we have to wait. So anyways, nothing going on. I'm going to end the vlog here for tonight. Get this edited and uploaded for you guys. And yeah, I'll try to vlog tomorrow. Again, no plans, but I don't know if it's going to rain or not. I apologize for the boringness. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I love you, and I will catch you in the next vlog.